Hi Kickstarter! You may have seen our project last year for Blink One, the USB RGB LED. If you're not familiar with Blink One, it's a small notification light for your computer that you can hook up to events that are important to you. These events can be on your computer or out on the web. We've been astounded at the success of the Blink One Kickstarter, thank you. Over the last year we've sold over 7,000 Blink Ones, and the things that people have done with them are amazing. From creating a thing to let your kids know where you are, to lighting up when a package arrives, to tracking server status and monitoring build state. And while it has been a success, we wanted to make Blink One better. We're pleased to announce the updated Blink One that we're calling Blink One Mark II. How is Blink One Mark II different? First, it uses a more powerful microcontroller that works with more USB systems. This includes compatibility with USB 3.0 devices. Additionally, we've added a second LED. Not only does this make it twice as bright, it means we make the design symmetric. Light comes out both sides, so you'll always see your notifications. We're redesigning the enclosure to take advantage of this aspect, and we're thinking it's looking pretty cool. The LEDs are both RGB and individually controllable. This is like having two Blink Ones in one package, and it's great for when you want a visual indicator for others and one for yourself, like a busy indicator for your coworkers and a new email indicator for you. It's also great for making cool color patterns. To take advantage of this new feature, we're updating and redesigning the Blink One Control app. We're also making the app work better with If This Then That. Both the Blink One Mark II and the original Blink One will work with this app in case you have both. And with all these changes, the Blink One Mark II is backwards compatible with all existing Blink One code and examples, so if you have some existing hacks, you can still use those.
In the original Blink One, we wanted it to feel substantial, to feel good in the hands, yet allow for maximum light output. We wanted to explore making an enclosure made of metal and translucent plastic. So for Blink One Mark II, we wanted to play on the material characteristics and push the envelopes on finding a way that we can make the enclosures come together in a simple yet fun way.
Another thing we noticed is that many USB ports are a little inaccessible. They're down on the floor behind your computer, so with every Blink One Mark II, we're including a 6-foot USB extender cable. We're ready to go into production now. We have a beta-tested hardware and firmware design done. The enclosure design is almost finished and we're ready to begin tuning it for manufacturing. Your funds will help pay for that tuning, as well as the tooling costs of both the enclosure and other setup fees associated with a new design. And we've hired a cross-platform app development team to help create the updated Blink One control application. Thank you, and we hope you can help make Blink One Mark II a reality.